Now we are going to making leg. First row, make 6 single crochet in magic circle. Second row, making crease by 2 single crochet in magic circle. Okay, finish row 2, then row 3 until row 14. Just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. Okay, I have finished row 14. Now I will combine color. Then for 15 until 17, just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. I have finished leg. Don't forget fill with fiber fill. Then make one more leg with same pattern. I have finished leg, and for second leg, don't cut the yarn and we combine to the first leg and continue to stitch along stitch 1 single crochet. "24 single crochet. Finish leg and continue crochet body. For next 2 rows, Just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. 24 single crochet. For next row, make 1 decrease, 2 single crochet together, then make 10 single crochet. Repeat 2 times. Repeat 1 decrease by 2 single crochet together, then make 10 single crochet. Finish. Change color. Just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. 22 single crochet. Finish. Row 5. Make 5 single crochet in the next stitch. Then make 1 decrease by 2 single crochet together, then make 9 single crochet, then make decrease by 2 single crochet together. For the last chain, make 4 single crochet. Finish row 7, just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. Finish row 10, make 5 single crochet. Then decrease by 2 single crochet together. Then 7 single crochet to the next stitch. Then decrease and make 2 single crochet for last chain. Finish row 9, just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. Row 10, 1 decrease by 2 single crochet together. Then 6 single crochet to the next stitch. Repeat, make 1 decrease by 2 single crochet together, then 6 single crochet to the next stitch. Finish row 10 and row 11, just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. And for last row, make 5 single crochet. Then make decrease by 2 single crochet together. Then 6 single crochet to the next stitch. Then for the last row, for the last chain, make 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. one decrease. Okay, we have finished body. Don't forget for stuffing by fiber fill. This is body after stuffing. We are going to making arms. Make 6 single crochet in magic circle. Next step, just make 1 single crochet for all stitches from row 2 until row 13. I have finished leg. Make 1 leg again with same pattern. Now last part, making tail with 5 single crochet in magic circle. For second row, just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. Okay, finish tail. Just cut the yarn with long tail for sewing. Finally, finish all part of this amigurumi. We will join this part. Finish amigurumi like this. If you want to know how to join this part of amigurumi, please revert to link above and support this channel by subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching.